How to add an analog clock widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to take you back to the home screen. And from the home screen, touch and hold on an empty spot. Then tap on the widgets button at the bottom. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on clock. After that, scroll down and go to the analog clock section in here. Touch and hold and drag on the analog clock widget and place it on the home screen. And here you have the small size 2x1 or 2x2. So touch and hold, and then we drag it into the home screen and let go. And that's it. After that, you can touch and hold on the clock to customize it. So from the pop-up, tap on settings. In settings, you can choose a different clock style. So here we've got this different shapes, and then this circle shape, cloud shape. We got a clock with a different background. This one here got the numberings, and this one without the numbers. After that, in the background color, you can choose between light or dark, and then tap on saved, and that's it. So that's how you can add an analog clock widget to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.